Hello again this is Wayne from JD's Classic and Muscle Cars. This is a 1977 FJ40. Has some modifications. Just get right to it. Small block Chevy. Air. Does have a working winch. Paint's in pretty good shape. There is a scratch or two. Please take the time to visit the website, JD'sClassicandMuscleCars.com. See a lot of photos there. Top's in good shape. These are new wheels, new tires. Probably not enough light for you, but I drove this. Runs fantastic. Alright, let's get inside here. A little bit of wear on the seat. See if I can jump in here. The odometer shows 38,575. Sounds fantastic. Give us a call. It is a 4-speed, but give us a call, 215-938-9265. Visit the website, JD'sClassicandMuscleCars.com. Thank you.